All right, hi students. Today we are going to talk about subject questions and object questions. This looks really difficult, but actually it's super simple. So you just have to kind of follow this tip and then you'll be fine. So let's first look at a subject question. Now, why do we call it a subject question? Well, because we don't know the subject. So for example, blank teaches this class. Okay? If we're not sure what the subject is, we simply need to find out, is this a person? Is it a place? Is it a thing? Etc. So for example, in this case, we're talking about a teacher. So of course, that's a person, right? So we're just going to say who. Okay? Who teaches this class? Really simple, really easy. If it's a thing, what? If it's a place, where? Easy. Subject questions, super easy. All right, moving on. Object questions. So just like subject questions, we don't know the subject. With an object question, we don't know the object. So she went to a place. Okay? So we need to use the place question word, which is where, and we bring it over here to the start. Where. Now, this is a little bit more complicated because we have a past verb here and we need to use an auxiliary verb. So if you don't know what an auxiliary verb is, you can check one of our other videos. I need to say, where did she go? Okay, so we look at she went to a place. We have to use where as the question word, and then we have to change went to did go. So, where did she go? Now, this looks really hard, but it's actually really easy. What is your name? Where are you from? What did you do last weekend? These are all object questions. So don't worry, you know this. It's super easy. However, if you don't know or if you have any questions, you can always ask us. Just drop something in the comments below. All right? That's it for today. Thank you.